Welcome back to After Effects. This time what I want to do is look at this, the calculations effect. You'll find it within the channel category there. So you can see I've only got this top layer visible at the moment. And one of the things you may realize is that if you want to do self-blending mode, what we tend to do, and this can be applied to Photoshop as well, for example, we would duplicate the layer with Control D, and then we would just change the blending mode on the top layer to overlay. Right, and then that gives you that kind of richer, more saturated effect. Okay, but what we can actually do is instead of having an extra layer here in the timeline, you can actually use calculations effect. So we'll put the calculations effect in here, and what you can do is the input channel is going to be RGB with the alpha. You can specify the different things there, but you can choose which layer you want to mix it with. So essentially, all you have to do is increase the opacity, and then just do it here instead. And you can see you're going to get the same effect, but we've only got that one layer there. And of course, for instance, you could mix it with the blue channel, right, which might look cool as well. So this layer down here is just one I just made a few seconds ago. This layer is not visible. I mean, it was, but it's not anymore. So what we can actually do is we're going to be mixing it with, let's go back into this. And instead of the second layer being that, we can mix it with this, right? So that's going to give you a really cool effect. So you can see you can have a different effect there, which looks pretty cool. Funnily enough, just the way that this works, it's almost like she's looking at the car there. So that's pretty cool. So, and then you can, for instance, you can do it with, I did a tulip as well. Now the tulip, so for instance, stretch actually seems to work quite well. Let me just change the opacity here. We should probably go back to this. Now I think about it, just to get more color in there. So for instance, you could do something like that as well. Do invert as well. So there's lots of different things you could do. Invert looks quite good on that. If I do add though, let's try add. It works really well. So yeah, so that's all for now. Thanks for watching.